Hello everyone, my name is Angelo Lagazo from grade 2C-Ruby. Today we are going to do an experiment from our topic in science, evaporation. Changes from liquid to gas. Are you ready? Great! So, I have tissue and alcohol. We will pour a bit of alcohol and leave it on the tissue for a few minutes. Okay, I think that's enough. So, we will leave this for a few minutes. By the way, guys, it can evaporate by the heat or the air. You can also blow it if you want to. Oh guys, I think it evaporated. Look guys, it evaporated. Thank you.